Hi, I'm Mark with Sea Change. Today we're going to assemble the drum ram. These are the parts that are necessary to do that. Very quickly, there is four O-rings, two of the same size, one size smaller, and this is a 1-inch O-ring that goes into the top of the cartridge. That will slot right there to seal the stinger. This is my 3/4 inch air hose clamp that will be attached to the bottom of the cartridge to get us some depth into the 55-gallon drum. This was my seal that will be put onto the bottom of the cartridge to seal the drum down here. This snap ring will go here and will secure the cartridge to our body. There will be two O-rings inside the body. There's two shelves. You can see down below there. The smallest O-ring of the big ones goes in the very bottom land. The second, then one of the big ones goes on this middle shelf, and then one of the larger O-rings will go onto the groove on the cartridge. So that's the plan. So let me put it together and I'll be right back. Okay, welcome back. So these are the three pieces I have left with the breather that goes in the back, that 1/2-inch port in the back of the body. After we put the cartridge in, we have the bung gasket that will go on last and the snap ring to hold together. I put the O-ring on the cartridge, top of the cartridge slot, O-ring inside where the tube will, the 1-inch suction tube will be inserted. And inside the body, you can see where I've got, where I have the O-rings on the shelves, if you will. They're all lubed, ready to go. So we are ready to do to install it into the drum. So let me put this down for a sec, and I will take the bung off, and we will screw the drum ram on into the 55-gallon drum. Okay, so I've inserted the 3/4 return hose into the 55-gallon drum, and I haven't all the way down yet, but it will be soon. You'd also put your fittings on prior. These are number 12 O-ring Boss on both sides. We have a return on that side, and they're well marked. This is the overflow. In the back, we have a breather port there. So with this being with the fittings on and so on, the next thing we do is to insert the stinger, 1-inch stinger tube, into the top of the section. It's at a slant. It goes in at a slant from the bottom. You'd have a QD if you want to put a QD, or just you can just put a capped JIC or whatever kind of fitting you want to go on there. And one of the things that is important to know is that when you are when your drum is approaching empty, you will want to take this hole. This hole is cut at an angle such that this 1-inch suction tube goes all the way down on this side of the drum, so it's positioned in the corner. At that point, if you wanted to tip the drum, let it sit there for a bit, use your pump again, you can get all the fluid out of your drum. So there you go. That's how to install a drum unit. It takes about 3 minutes or so. So thank you.